certified and undervoted 302 cameras na votes cast in 346 cast precincts for the candidates therein for member House of Representatives in the election cell on May 12, 2025. Attached here to and forming part thereof is a statement of votes by precincts CEF number 20-8 by each candidate for the office of member of the House of Representatives. The number such canvas it appears that judicial earnings garnered 109,828 votes for the office of the member of House of Representatives, the same being the highest number of votes legally cast of said office. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim the above-named winning candidate as the duly elected member of House of Representatives, NCR City of Manila, 1st Legislative District, Province of NCR, Manila. In witness whereof, we have fixed our signatures and imprint our town marks in the City of Manila, Province of NCR, Manila, this May 13, 2025, 6:33 p.m. City Board of Canvassers, Jeremy Menes, Chairperson, Giovanni Tilly, Vice Chairperson, Nerissa Lometa, Members, Secretary.